Hi, this is Stephanie from Matthew's Mindful Moment, and today I'm inviting you into my backyard, into our little secret garden, my personal retreat, a place for reflection, a place for me to find calm and serenity. And I welcome you to this opportunity to connect with nature. Using this opportunity to build an inner resource, a place that you can imagine in your mind's eye at any time that you need to feel calm, peaceful, and secure, a refuge and a place of safety. I invite you to settle down into a seated or lying position. You can choose to watch the video or simply listen to my voice and the sounds of nature. Your inner resource is a place that you use all of your senses. If you're imagining a place in nature or watching this video, you might think about how the sun feels upon your skin. Warm, welcoming, maybe comforting. And how a cool breeze might feel upon you, keeping you calm and at ease. Perhaps you can imagine the fragrance of herbs or flowers. Perhaps you could feel a gentle mist from the waterfall. Using all of your senses to create your inner resource, or using the visual piece from this video to bring to attention any time that you need to feel calm, secure, and at ease. Noticing the sound of the waterfall, allowing the sound of running water to sweep away any anxiety, tension, any feelings of unease or discontentment. Allow yourself to feel grounded, knowing that these sensations, thoughts, and feelings are available to you at any time by bringing your inner resource to mind or returning to this video. As we bring ourselves to our inner resource, this place in nature, we become aware of our breath, noticing the breath going into the nostrils and expanding the chest and belly. And as you exhale, feeling the torso soften and maybe the breath a little warmer on the exhale. Being present and aware of all that is around you. In your inner resource, your place of security, serenity, your sanctuary. Committing to memory all the sights and sounds of your nature-made sanctuary where you are at ease. Letting the tranquility go into every fiber of your being. Using this time as an opportunity to reset, to be at one with nature, feel free to walk yourself into this beautiful garden at any time throughout your daily living as an opportunity to take a pause, to relax, to refocus, and unwind. Thank you for spending time with me in the garden today. I hope that it has given you a reprieve from daily living, an opportunity to be refreshed and renewed. Namaste.